Welcome to this video. We have started our Tableau journey, and in Tableau journey we have installed the required software. To begin this journey, the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to do some data preparation using Tableau Prep. So we are going to learn how can we use Tableau Prep. We will try to have some flows covered here, and if required we will come back later to Tableau Pro for more complicated flows. So first thing which is Tableau Prep is open on my desktop, and I have options like file, new, open, close, save as, export package flow, save steps as flow. So they will be applicable once we start creating flow, and repository location and quit. So repository location is the location where I want to create my repository. So right now I leave it default, but you can go ahead and change that. Now edit is simple steps like do, undo and insert flow, and all those are there. Flow is run all flow only. Server is sign in and publish the flow. So we'll see these at later point of time. Can we sign in to Tableau online and can publish flow there. Now open a flow which is existing flow and create connect to new data. So right now the option which I'm going to use is connect to new data, Microsoft Excel, and I have this call file available with me. Not here, I will go to use it from here. See call center of data file which I'm going to use here. Now I have added this file as one version. I'm immediately going to add this file again, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Let me add it 2 times, and I'm going to tell you why I'm adding it 2 times. So let me see if I'm able to successfully do what I wanted to have it. So I've taken this file thrice. Now I'll tell you why I've taken this file thrice. So I have explained you this file. This file contains the data which is basically the call center data, and we wanted to do certain step like remove duplicate and this one. So the first file is the one where I'm going to do that step. So I added a clean step now. Now in the clean step, the first thing which we wanted to do, if you remember when we discussed last time, is that we wanted not this file should not have any duplicates, and this file also should not have any null values. So these are the steps which I need to add, and I wanted to go ahead with those steps. So what I'm going to do here, I go to serial number, and I know serial number can have those null values because everywhere those null values are there, and I is going to say filter null values, and I'm going to say okay, null values. So take no null values, and I say done. This is the first step I done. Okay. On the other one, we are going to take the similar kind of step, but we will do it differently. We need to clean up those files also, and then remove the values and create the keys and populate to this file. So I'll explain you what we want to do there. Now once I done that cleanup, the second step which I want to remove duplicate from this file. To remove the duplicate from this file, the steps which I can add is the clean step, aggregate, pivot, join, union, script, prediction or output. So the only step which I can add right now is aggregate. Now to aggregate this thing, whenever it is group, I can simply go ahead and drag it. And actually I don't want to add date to aggregate, so I keep on dragging them to group. Or the option, another option is I click here and I say group by. Okay, so I have aggregated. So now I can add another clean step, so I can view my data. Now if you see, there are three kind of data views which are here right now. The view which we are seeing is show profile pane, where we are seeing what kind of data is there. So if I look at the clean one, there could be some different stats which are there. Okay, now when I look at the clean 2, I would have certain different stuffs are there. Now I can clean, I have done with my cleanup. I can change the data types out here, like ABC's number is fine, this name is fine, this doesn't seems correct to me, so I can go ahead and make it as date. And I can hide this pane which is coming with the show profile pane. I can actually go ahead and click here where I can only see the data, or I can have this view where I can see now the data type is date. So now talk time and all those numbers seems correct. Let's go ahead and look at it once. Okay, talk time, ring time, hold time. Okay, so now what is happening here is, what I have done is I have actually taken the worksheet, I cleaned it up, and then I aggregated. In the aggregate step, what we've done, let me explain it. We put everything into the group by. So we want to take this distinct value. To take the distinct value, there is nothing like remove duplicate rows in Tableau Prep. So what we have done is we have dragged everything to group by. There is no aggregate field here. So what we have done carefully is, there is no aggregation field here. Everything we have added to group by. So now when it is going to group, it is going to remove the duplicates because there is no aggregation. And now even if you want aggregation, there are certain places where you want to group the data with aggregation. So you can put certain fields to the aggregation, like I want to take the max of the date. So I would have put the date here max. I know everything is duplicated, but the date is the one which I wanted to take max, so I could have taken max. Now if I want to take other data of max, then I need to think about it differently. Then we might have to do in couple of steps, but right now we didn't want that. We wanted to remove duplicate, so that is done here. Now another thing which I wanted to do is, I have taken this more copy of this worksheet, and I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on this work and I'm going to say aggregate directly. I'm going to clean that up, but I'm going to say aggregate directly. So let me first of all, no, I'm going to remove, I don't want to aggregate actually, I want to do a clean step only. Okay, the aggregate step is added here. Let me go ahead and remove this step. So I click here and I delete, and in this flow also I'm going to add a clean step. Why I'm going to add a clean step? Because I want to create a table for city and country with the unique ID. So what I'm going to do is, I'm first of all, I'm going to remove city and country, city, and I only want city and country. So other than city and country, I don't want any other column. So what I need to do for that is, I take city and country, right click and say keep only. Now keep only means delete everything else. So everything else will get deleted, and we should only left out with the city and country column. Now another thing which we can do here, now we know we only wanted to have city, so we can actually right click here and see filter and null values, and we will say non-null values only. Okay, so and we say done. So now what we have done, we have said okay, also remove the null value. So this is our clean step is done. So what we have done, we have taken the same worksheet. On the same worksheet, the second operation which we have done is, we have removed this one. Now I wanted to add one more column out here. Okay, before I add the column, let me aggregate it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to again group, or so I grouped it, and I again can right click on the column and I say group. So both the things, I've added group, no aggregated column, nothing, I'm not adding it. So what we have done is, we have taken the data, we have separated out two columns, we have taken out city, country, we have aggregated it. Now I'm again going to add one more clean step out here, and in this clean step I'm going to right click here, and you can see that I can add the clean, or I can add group by values. So in the clean we have a lot of options like make uppercase, make lowercase, make remove letters, remove this, remove punctuation, trim spaces, and I could have tried all these if I doubt it. So because basically these are the steps, like I want to make it uppercase, is like there could be a city name which is in uppercase and lowercase, so I can make it completely into the uppercase. Okay, make uppercase. But in city I will not do it. Let's try this. Or make lowercase, remove letters, or remove numbers. If you want to remove certain numbers, we know certain like this hyphen letter is coming, I want to remove this. So and I need to do that same operation then on the both the part of it. Or remove punctuation, trim spaces. Trim spaces is one operation we can do. Okay, so if there are some spaces that would have been trimmed. Okay, now again click it. I already trimmed the spaces. Do I want to split the values? No, I don't want to split the values. Do I want to group the values? No, don't want to group the values. Do I want to clean up now? No, I have already done the cleanup. Now what I want to do here is, I want to create a calculated column, and I want to go create a new calculation which is rank. Now because my this column is all city IDs are unique kind of stuff, I add a rank column, so I should get the ranks out here. So I've done certain cleanups, I've done make, and I also able to create a rank. So I'm kind of getting a rank which is there. And next step, I think we can add another one more clean out here, and let's go ahead and in this step I go ahead and call it city ID. If I want to do further more operations, I can do it here. Okay, so I'm just added a step just for the clean purpose. We could do many things in the same clean step. Now here I added the clean step already. Let me see whatever you have done in this clean step. Again, now let's say I want to create one more dimension. So the other dimension which I'm going to create here on the thing is the customer or the company. I only want to create it on company. So I select the company column and I say, we need to say keep only this. So let's see, split, clean, filter, split values. These are the options. Keep only the field. We get the keep only field out here. Then we can, now we need to aggregate this field. So we plus the step and then aggregate. Now aggregate, this is the only field which we want. So we aggregated it. Now let's add a clean step again. So in the clean step, we will go ahead and add here. Now if you want to remove the value, now here we will try that step out. In the clean, we say let make lowercase. We have made all of them as lowercase, and then we will go ahead and add calculated column which is rank. Okay, we can smaller see it like this. This is rank column which you can see, and we call it as city ID and look at like this. So we don't do stuff. Now if I need to do merge it with this one, now I need to do the company name there. So what I can do here in the first flow, if you would have remember, we have this first flow where, let's go ahead, we have the company name. So what I'm going to say here, go here and say is duplicate field. So now I have company and company one. So now I can keep company one and I can call it as company name, which let it be in title case if you want. And what I can do here is I can go ahead and the original company name which I'm going to add, and I can add a, you know, clean, and we'll call it make lowercase. So all of them converted into the lowercase. So the newer column which we are adding at the starting, and the original column is there. So maybe we now try to merge it.